Okay, here's how to knead your dough. I've dusted my work surface just lightly with a little bit of flour, and I'm gonna dump out my flour yeast mixture. It is handy if you have a bench scraper or a dough scraper, even if it's not this big. It helps move things along. If you don't, no worries. So I'm going to gather my dough. I'm just moving it in a circle. I'm letting it know that it's there. It's sensitive after all. Okay, so here's the mantra. Also, you want a little flour at the ready because you may need some. We're going to press, fold, and rotate. Press, fold, rotate, press, fold, rotate, press, fold, turn, 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 press, fold, turn. And you do that until you get a ball of dough that is soft and smooth, like a little baby. And add flour if it feels sticky. Press, fold, turn. You don't have to pound it, and you don't want to just gently, somewhere in between, letting the dough know whose boss you are. Okay? So you can see how quickly it grows. And it starts to, it's alive, right? This is nothing fancy, just our flour, our activated yeast that has the 100-degree water, olive oil, and salt. Once we get it to where we want it, and I'll show you what that looks like, we're then going to put it in a bowl with a little bit of oil, cover it, and let it double, which will take about an hour. And this dough will give us about 2 pizzas. You can make both at the same time, or you can cut the dough in half and save the other one for later. All right. Getting there. I'm gonna give it a couple more rotations. I'll show you what we've got. But again, press, fold, turn, press, fold, turn, press, fold, turn. It'll be a total of about 5 minutes, and I'm just tucking it underneath, and it's gonna look something like this. And then we can let it rise for about an hour.